Hey YouTube, this is Kevin Bolin of Bolin Small Engine, and I had just a little bit of Tannerite left over from the the deer stand explosion, so I thought, what the hell, I'd put another batch together and blow up something else. My brother got a big, I don't know, looks like a whiskey bottle or something plumb full of gasoline, and we have an old bucket about half full of nasty, shitty water that came out of the toilet. Mom's pretty adamant about getting that thing cleaned up and gone, so that's why we're doing it. But anyway, I got Tannerite on top, as you can see. I'll try to zoom in, see if maybe you guys can see the Tannerite that's on top. As you can see, there's a bag, Tannerite, the bucket, and if you look closely enough, you'll see there's a bottle. I'll try to zoom in even more on the bottle. So anyway, we're going to zoom out now. And I'm going to try to shoot this for you guys. Okay, YouTube, at this point, everything's on fire, so we're going to go up and see how much damage it done to the ground. I'm just going to carry it on the sticks, so sorry if you're not in focus. And as you can see, there's pretty much nothing left of that bucket. It's amazing, Joy, that fire is still burning. Look at the glass. I'm going to zoom in on it. The glass itself is still on fire. It's one hell of an explosion. Look at the shit. And there's still shit in the bucket, Joy. Look. Oh, God, that's nasty. Talk about a flaming turd. Now that's a flaming turd. Well, YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Hope you guys like that. We thought that was pretty cool. Till next time.